in town. Most folks thought that up was down. We all lived and gave our soul, did it all smoking coal. Daddy rose at the crack of dawn, and when I could, I'd tag along. Captain said, what a fine young man. Put a pick in that boy's hand. I feel the dust upon my tongue, feel the pain down in my lungs. The time to leave has come and gone. There's nothing left but to carry on. Way down here in this old coal mine, where the sun, it did not shine, sweating toil till the day is done. But I'll be back when morning comes, sweating toil till the day is done. But I'll be back when morning comes.
Okay, we got Manic Miner here today, a game I've never played before. It's on the ZX Spectrum, and this was voted for by a Roger Mortimer, who wanted to get a bit of a, a bit of nostalgia going with a game he used to play. Like I said, I've never played it before. It's absolutely hard as nails. You are basically a Manic Miner. You've got to go around collecting all the shiny items. Once you've done that, it then unlocks a door on the far right hand side of the level, allowing you to go through to the next zone. There are quite a few levels to this game. I've only got onto the third level, but I know for a fact there are quite a few through few different rooms, I'd say. All of them slightly different. This obviously being the cold room. You've got penguins. The first room, not quite sure what the hell that was, but basically all you got to do, like I said, you've got to get a key or something shiny. There's multiple keys all around the level. You collect them all, then it will unlock you to the next level. There are loads and loads of different things that get in your way and will actually kill you. For example, on here you've got penguins. On the other one it was a weird alien looking thing. Also there was like some sort of plant, which does also kill you. If you see next, there's another one. Look, I mean, what the hell is that? Is that an ostrich? Oh, I'm dead. That apparently is a Monty Python reference, the ending there. Again, I'm not really one for Monty Python, but, you know, there we go. I'm not the one who created the game. But here we go, it's quite a colourful game. Funky little sounds. But my verdict, I'd give it a 6 out of 10. It's hard as nails, but it's brilliant. Try and find it now.
Born and raised